Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat lenses not working or missing. First of all, go ahead to your settings app and then search for Snapchat, and then make sure to turn on location services. Now after that, you're going to go back and then search for iPhone storage, and then scroll down, look for what Snapchat, and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that does not work, go ahead and open your app store and then make sure to update your Snapchat app. Then restart the app, and then what you're gonna do if nothing works is reload lenses by switching to mobile data instead of staying on Wi-Fi. This will rule out network issues. Now, safety tip: do not download fake lenses packs. They can get your account flagged. Quick fix: delete and reinstall Snapchat, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.